The Chief Executive Member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, Tuli Ramronghang, along with 12 executive members of the council, had met his counterpart of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyat Singh Aim, to discuss on various matters related to border areas between Assam and Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the CEM of the KHADC, Panyat Singh Aim informed that the discussion ended on a positive note wherein the members of both the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council and the KHADC had expressed their desire to work together in order to ensure peaceful coexistence and security amongst those residing along the border areas of Block 2.
The haka nika jing kendu kidan artadi ki kam ki bangia kran sami bha kawai kalong ba ka jing yadai ka jungi ka KHDC bat ka KAC kan yai beteng da ka jing sport jingmut kumno ban yayo ban ya trailang na ka benta ban penek pensa iki riti ki store ki jungi da ka bangi hab ban yang teli bat ni long kawai hakmat ke sokar India khamtam kumat shupen kenmau ba ka than chate lamingi ini ka north eastern states ngidon kumba shipho teli ki ADCs lightly hajala Meghalaya lightly hajala Assam lightly hajala Mizoram bat kawai Tripura te menindu ngai kendu ya produce de Parma bulong chairman jongga Tripura party hapo Tripura ki babat ya ka borsin syar hapo Autonomous Council hapo Tripura ilai keren bang ide bani long teli ban ya kun na menta kanu ka jing let's say ban ya kun lang ringkat ka jing ya don lang jong barok ki Autonomous Council hapo ka jela stay lamingi totally kini ki Autonomous Council bangin penklan ya ka nongrim ke jungi ban penek pensa ki riti dustur ki bangi dan halaki jong ki council kebaar pat mentat New York ruban ya keren hakabedei pat ke jinglong jingman hapo khaput border area hapadeng ke jela Meghalaya pat Assam kumba phi yi ba ke jela Meghalaya pat Assam keladan ke jing penbait bandan no kani ka jing penbait put bat ka benta ka beningkong phase 1 kala dep benta kala ayat ke phase 2 but hakani ka phase 2 kila don ki regional committees na boro arliang ki state government Assam but Meghalaya but habede ki regional committees nakaliang jong ka KHDC rukni dan bentalang kumkit khat te kani ka benta ka baar ka don ka jing penbait put ka bayadei bat kani ka than block 2 bat kiwe chaka te ngi suthu ba kishnong khasi ki babun hapo kini ki chaka kidon bat tang masin shimti ya kani ka isi bat maru hadin tang shitayo ni lalek ban jingo itai ba jingi shite ka shnong hakini ki chaka block 2 kidon kumba arpulai teliki kishnong khasi tingin layo ban kendo ikirang ba shnong layo ban kendo ikini ki nong yalam shnong kiri ramba kilong kumi de nakaliang jungi ngilai kran sani mentat ba ngikwa ka jing trelang bat ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ba kipai ba jungi kinam dei bansha penwit kinam dei bansha pendek hakalik kawan hakatrei karta hakarep karyang bat kiwi bentah kakai patek dan nakaliang jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lingba CM la pular ban ai ka jing trelang bat ka Khasi Hills Autonomous Council ban yadai ki brejungi hak tu ki chaka bar banam dei men tumbe but ka block 2 ka hab babun let's say haka ka area ka ba niya dan jing penbait lang bat ni ka KHDC te ka block 1 pat kala hab Shaka Jaintia Hills District te kala hab haka jurisdiction jong ka Jaintia Hills District Council te wat la ka taru namar bakidai ki parado prasnam ki jongi nila penslo hiru ba kitu ki jingja men hakani ki bom internet ki bom sutanat bat nakaliang jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ru kila smokya kata kin simkya bat ru kin yo ban trelang bat ni nam ta kasuk kasai ka baha kamya jong kitu shnong hak ki jaka